Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn about types of nouns. I am sure in your previous class you all have learned what are nouns. Nouns are naming words. Children, everything in this world has a name for itself. So, nouns are naming words, that is, names of people, places, animals, or things. Let us take few examples. If you see in this picture, this is a boy and a girl. This is a soldier and this is a doctor. So children, a girl, a boy, a soldier and a doctor, these are names of people. Next, see these pictures. These are places. The names of these places are, the first one is a forest and the second one is a park. So, these are names of places. Then, here is a fish, a dog, a cat and an elephant. All these are names of animals. And last, this is a ball, a chair, a lock. So children, these are names of things. So, names of people, animal, places or things, they are called as nouns. Now children, if I say boy, boy is a noun. But from this word boy, it can mean any boy. I am not specifying any particular boy. It can mean a tall boy, a short boy, a boy in my society or boy who is coming to school, any boy in general. So children, such names which are ordinary names, which are not special or not particular, they are called as common nouns. They are called as common nouns. But if I show you this picture and I say he is Manish, so you come to know that this boy who is seen in the picture, his name is Manish. Now Manish is a special name. It is a specific name of this boy. So Manish becomes a proper noun. So, nouns which specify a special name, they are called as proper nouns. Let us take one more example. Girl. It can mean any ordinary girl, any girl. So, a girl becomes common noun. But if I show you this picture and say she is Neela or Neela is playing a violin, then Neela is a special name. The name Neela specifies that this is the name of this girl who is shown in the picture. So my dear children, Neela becomes proper noun. City becomes common noun. It is common name. But if I show you this picture and if I say Pune, then I am specifying the name of this city. I am telling you that there is a special name for this city and that name is Pune. So, Pune becomes proper noun. Again, mountain. Any common mountain, but If I say this mountain, the name of this mountain is Everest. Everest is a special name, so it becomes proper noun. Mountain becomes common noun because we did not specify, we did not say any mountain in particular, but when I said Everest, it becomes special name. So Everest becomes proper noun. Next, a dog. Any dog. Common, ordinary dog. On the street, in the house, anywhere. So dog becomes common noun. But if I show you this picture and say the name of this dog is Brownie, then dear children, Brownie becomes proper noun. Similarly, lion. Lion who lives in jungle. But there can be many lions living in the jungle. So, lion becomes a common noun. But if I show you this picture, can you guess? This is a famous cartoon. This is an animated movie you must have watched. Yes, he is our Simba. And if I say Simba the lion, then Simba becomes proper noun. Last one, a river. If I say this is a river can be any river around. So, it becomes a common noun. So, dear children, if I say the picture that is shown is of river Ganga, then Ganga becomes a proper noun. Similarly, I have shown you the second picture of a doll. Doll is a common noun. Unless and until I show you or I specify this is a Barbie, then Barbie becomes a proper noun. So children, we learned the special name given to any person, place, animal or thing is called proper noun. Children, please say along with me again. The special name given to any person, place, animal or thing is called a proper noun. Always remember this rule, children. Proper nouns always begins with a capital letter because they are special names, they are specific names. So, they always begin with a capital letter. The first letter of that word is capital. Then we learned about common nouns, ordinary or common names given to any person, place, animal or thing are called as common nouns. Children, repeat along with me. Ordinary or common names given to any person, place, animal or thing are called as common noun. Children, let us take few more examples so that it becomes easier for you to understand. Previously, teacher showed you examples for words. Now, let us see how to find nouns in sentences. Read the sentence along with me, children. A girl went to a city. Now, children, in this sentence, there are two nouns. Can you guess them? Yes, the first noun is name of a person, girl, and second is a name of a place, that is city. But my dear children, here girl can mean any girl and city can again mean to any city. So these two nouns, that is girl and city, can be referred as common nouns. Let's see the next example. Sonali went to Agra. Now here we are giving specific name. Who went to Agra? Sonali went to Agra. And where did Sonali go? She went to the city, and the name of that city is Agra. So Sonali and Agra are the nouns which are proper nouns. Next one. A dog likes to play with a boy. Again, I did not specify whether this dog or tall dog or that dog. Here, dog and boy are nouns and they are common nouns. In the second example, Fluffy likes to play with Dinesh. Now here, Fluffy is a special name for a dog and Dinesh is a special name for a person. So, Fluffy and Dinesh both are nouns and they are proper nouns. So my dear children, we all learned about common nouns and proper nouns today. Common nouns are common names of people, places, animals or things in general. They do not need to have the first letter capital. That means common noun does not need the first letter to be capital unless it comes at the beginning of the sentence. Children, when we learnt about punctuation marks in capital letter, we learnt that the first letter of any sentence is capital. So children, if the first letter of your sentence is a common noun, only then it will be capital. Otherwise, common nouns usually have small letters. For example, planet. But in proper nouns are specific names of people, animals, places or things. And here in a proper noun, the first letter is always capital. For example, earth. So my dear children, these are proper nouns and common nouns that we learned today. With more practice and more activity exercises, this topic will surely be clear in your mind. Thank you.